Looking at Gbpusd and how we more or less closed yesterday. Now you can see price drove to the upside here on GU. And let me just check out this. Move this to the side. Okay. So price from yesterday we drove to the highs. Okay, I thought we were going to reach 1.27500 yesterday, but we didn't. We came back down more or less. Okay, so for me, this is a very risky area. Okay, since seeing that the momentum pushed, but then slammed back down, and I was more or less saying that I'm looking at for 38.2 here for my previous video. I said I'm looking at here for a rejection type setup. So now we've seen one rejection at that area, another big weak rejection at that area, and today, okay, is looking really risky, guys, because I'm still actually in this position right now. I'm currently up about so I was up about 48 pips, but the market came back down, so it's 25 pips right now. So looking at this, but one thing to note is this, okay, the market, was still pushing bias candle, bias candle, bias candle. Excuse me. So seeing that we're at 38.2, and the way this week closed from yesterday could be signaling that price is going to sell off. So let's take a look at the 4 hourly and then see what 4 hours is doing. Now on the 4 hour, okay, we can clearly see that we're more or less still making series of higher lows. Okay. How about here? Now, could this be a higher low area? Okay. So as you can see, we are still making a series of higher lows on the 4 hour. Okay, higher low, higher low, higher low, and it is seen that the daily is bullish. Okay, momentum wise. Okay, not structural trend wise. Momentum wise, we could still see a reach back into this high. Okay, we could still see a reach back into a more to sell 500. If we don't get one sell 500, I'm more or less looking at this previous high here. If price trades back to this previous high today, okay, I'll be looking out for PA that will form around this high. If I see anything that signals rejection, I'll take the trade off. Okay, but if not, I will blow through this high. Well, my target is still at 127,500. So I'm currently break even on the position. Okay, so that's kind of risk free on my end. But looking at the way the daily candle closed, yeah, I know we are in a downtrend, and but currently this is the 38.2 area. Okay, so the confluence is right here now. We're seeing 38.2 area here. Okay, we're seeing previous structural of support. Okay, could it turn resistance? That's what we'll have to wait to find out. So there's nothing much that have changed from my previous video. Okay, seeing the way the candles are forming, you can even tell that the uh, trade, the market is now seeing less and less bullish momentum. So I'll still more or less hold this and see if we're going to see that sell off later. Okay, so I'm using the 1 hour time frame. Okay, we can see that we're more or less still making a retracement. So let's just see how this one plays out, and I will check. I don't really have a bias here. I'm still looking for the market to make a decision. Uh, on the daily, okay, we're more or less in a downtrend trending type setup. Okay, but on the 4 hourly, okay, you can see that we're making higher lows, even though the daily is still in a downtrending type setup. So we just have to wait. Okay, we don't call tops or bottoms, so that's one thing I don't do. So I'll have to wait for the market to show me that okay, Now this is time to take out my position, as opposed to just taking out my position because I've made money. So yeah, that's the analysis, guys. There's nothing really much that have changed from my previous video, since we were having it like yesterday was kind of a slow day in the market. So yeah, I'll check back with you guys later. Okay,